I'm Roger with Guaranty here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're looking at a 35.2 Thor Miramar. This is a 2019 model. Okay, so it's got all the latest and greatest little gadgets in it. Let's take a quick overview on this unit and see what we can see. It's got the chrome Velvac mirrors with the integrated side camera, so you turn on your turn signal, shows you everything down the side of the coach. We've got the big Alcoa rims with the 22-inch tires on it. It's a full body paint coach with lots and lots of storage. Almost all these storages pass all the way through into the other side. So that way if you got like a long fishing pole or ladder or something you want to carry with you. I mean, look at all of this storage. Oh gosh. Love the outside TV. You can sit out here underneath the big awning with the LED lights, sit by the campfire, watch the Frozen with the grandchildren. It's just great. But let's get back to the storage. It just keeps going. Here's our water tank. I love their dump on this. Sometimes you want to get rid of the water fairly quickly. Let's see, you got a bad taste or bad water or something. You open up that valve, it dumps out very quickly. Oh, it's the little things that just really catch my eye too. Like this right here. Okay, it's got the Thor brand on it there. That's for tying up the doggy at night, or not at night. You shouldn't leave the dog outside. Dogs be inside. But you can tie them up there, keep them from getting you in trouble at the RV park. Okay. Look how big that pass-through is there. And then back here, we've got our propane tank. Okay, it also has the quick fitting for the outside barbecue. Big slide. It's the little things that I really love, like this rear door fuel fill. You don't have to decide left or right when you're pulling in to get fuel. It's right there in the back. You can do it from either side. Here's our Onan 5500 micro quiet generator. Here's one of those other storage compartments. You can see how it's a nice, good, clear pass-through. This side here has our dump station. Here's our plumbing station. You'll notice it does have a whole house water filter. And like I said, this is some more of that storage that we were just talking about. It goes all the way through there. And just keep opening doors. Okay, this is a really great area to look at here. So we've got our hydraulic pump here for our hydraulic leveling. It's something that you do need to check periodically. They've made it very easy to get to. You can get right to your batteries. This has got two 6-volt batteries that are wired in series, so it comes out to 12 volts. It's going to give you a lot more battery life. Let's go inside. This has got the wind stop on the door, so it'll hold it open so it doesn't, kind of blow shut on you while you're trying to carry groceries in. Again, it's the little things that they've really thought of. Up here we've got our Ford cockpit. This is going to be on the Ford 6.8 V10 chassis. This is going to have the 6-speed Ford transmission, which is a really great RV transmission. It's going to give you that overdrive. It's going to get your RPMs low. It's going to get your fuel economy up. Right above you here, we've got our queen drop-down bed with a ladder. Makes it easy for having someone spend the night. They can have their own bed. If you don't want a bed up front, you push a button, it disappears. I love that. Here we've got our sofa with our pop-up TV. You push a button, that TV disappears down into the cabinet. Straight across from the TV, we've got two theater seatings. Lots of storage here for your snacks and hideaway goodies. If you're like me and diabetic, you got to hide your snacks, otherwise the wife will try to make you healthy. Hate that. Big booth dinette. I mean, I'm a pretty good sized guy, which is why I'm diabetic. And I can sit here, I'm comfortable, there's room for me to, have a big meal and not feel like I'm trying to push the table over with my stomach. I can always lose some weight, but I'm not gonna. I like to be honest. Nice solid surface countertop, induction cooktop. Again, these are one of those things that's really wonderful to have. They don't actually produce heat at this unit. Okay, they heat the pan up without heating up this surface other than from contact, which is great. Love the real real rich looking walnut wood with a high gloss finish. Okay, here's our new command center. This is where we run our slides, check our tanks, look at our voltage. This unit is set up with the solar charge controller. Right now it's inside the building and it's still throwing 12.7 volts. Here is our electronic interface management for the inverter. On this side, we've got a residential refrigerator with built-in ice maker. Okay, the nice thing about the residential refrigerator, there's no firebox in the wall, there's no chimney in the wall, there's no fire in the wall. Love this. Okay, oh, look at this nice deep pantry with two pullouts, nice and deep, solid, well built. On this side, we've got our bathroom. Pardon me while I step on in here. This is our water heater control. This is different than what we're used to. We set the temperature we want the water to be, and that's what we have the water come out. You don't have to mix to try to get that right temperature. You don't want it too hot, you don't want it too cold. We're very sensitive about what temperature. We can have that hot water come out at the temperature we like. And across from the commode is a nice sized shower. The nice thing about having a bigger kind of fat guy like me showing you a coach like this is we can actually see how a bigger guy is going to fit in here. This is a big shower. Here's another pantry closet slash washer and dryer unit. If you want to use this as a pantry, it'll do it. If you want to use it for towels, it'll do it. You want to hang stuff, it'll do it. If you want to take these shelves out and put in washer and dryer, it's already plumbed for it. Back here in the bedroom, we've got a bed. It's a king size bed. You push a button, the head lifts up. It's great for watching TV because you do have a big TV here in the bedroom. If you like to read, you can read. It's really nice to be able to have it upright like that. The other thing it does is when it's up, it gives you more room here in the bedroom. Remember, big guy, I like my room. And look, I've got lots of room. When I go to put my shoes on in the morning, I need room to fling and flail. And of course, we've got our rear window. More windows, more light, more illumination, more visibility. You're at someplace beautiful, you want to look out and see that lake, you want to see the trees, you want to see the snow, wherever it is. Oh, snow? Yeah. Dual pane windows. So you can go to the snow in this rig. It's not going to freeze you to death. I've got single pane in my older rig. I hate that. Here's our closet. Okay. Those two doors are hers, and so is this one. So she'll have 3 doors for hanging stuff, and you get that little one over there. We also have some really nice drawers. Full length roller bearing drawer guides throughout. I'm almost done. A couple more. Lots of drawers. Okay. And this is a 2019 Thor Miramar 35.2. My name's Roger. Thank you for visiting with me. If you have any questions about this unit or any others, give me a call. Thanks.